Hello everyone, I chose to create this tutorial on how to select assignments on SeeSaw and then create the assignments in Google Classroom for students. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your Managed Bookmarks and go to Class Link. From there you'll sign in with Google. From here you will click on SeeSaw. And you will click the Add button and assign activity. I chose to show you how to attach assignments using our plans for Fire Safety Week. So you're going to go to the All Grades drop-down box, and since I teach first grade, we're going to choose first grade. We're going to leave it as all subjects, and we're going to search for Fire Safety. From here, I had already saved some assignments. Here is the math assignment that we had selected to use for our classes next week. Fill in the 10 frame. So I'm going to click on the Assign button, and I'm going to assign it to Class 1, which is my students. And I am going to select the Scrambled Sentences Fire Safety, and I'm going to assign that to my class, and again I will click Assign to Class 1. Another activity that we had chosen to assign to our students was a fire safety count and write and to label the fire truck. So I'm going to search for those two, Fire Safety Count and Write. And I'm going to assign that to my students. And here I'll click Assign to Class 1 again. And the last assignment is to label the firefighter, and I'll click Assign again, Assign to Class 1, then I will exit out. Alright, so I'm going to go back to my class, and here are the assignments that we have chosen to assign to our students for next week for fire safety. So from here, I will click on that assignment, the 3 dots that are down at the bottom, and I will get student link. And then another screen will pop up and you will click Copy. And now I'm going to go to Google Classroom and I'm going to select my first grade classroom. I'm going to go to Classwork and I am going to the Create button again and to Assignment, and this is going to be ELA Assignment number 1, and I'm going to attach the link that the students are able to complete their work on and paste that link, add link, and then assign it to my class. And here you will see it, ELA assignment number 1 was posted at 3:29 today. So I'll go back up and repeat these steps for all 4 activities. Again, you'll go to Create, Assignment, ELA number 2, and you will go back over to SeeSaw, and we're going to assign the Scrambled Sentences as activity number 2 for ELA for the week. Get student link, copy that link, then you'll switch back over to Google Classroom, click Add Link, paste the student copied link, click Add Link again, and you will assign that to the class. Then you are going to have to go back over to SeeSaw again. This time we are going to select the 2 math activities. The first math activity was the fire safety count and write. Click the 3 dots that are down at the bottom, get student link, copy the link, switch back over to Google Classroom, create the assignment. This will be math assignment number 1. Click add link, paste the copied student link, add link once more, and assign. And now we're going to go back over to SeeSaw. We are going to get our second math activity link. So here we have fill the 10 frame fire hydrant. We are going to click the 3 dots at the bottom, get the student link, copy the link, and once again we'll go back over to Google Classroom. We're still under classwork, create assignment. This will be math assignment number 2. We're going to add the link. We're going to paste the copied student link, add link. Once that link is added, we will assign that to our class for classwork. I like to assign a video to my students for them to watch, possibly as a brain break or just something for a little fun. So we're going to go back over to SeeSaw, and I'm going to go back to the green circle that says add, assign activity, and I am going to find a short little video that my students can watch in regards to fire safety. I'm going to choose Fire Safety Week. I am going to assign this activity to Class 1. I will then go and copy the student link, and I will go back over to Google Classroom. I will click Create, Material, and I will name that Fire Safety Week. This is something that my students are not required to do when it is under material, but it is something that they may enjoy. I'm going to paste the student link, and once it is pasted, I will post to my classroom. And from here, I have already created folders previously for the weeks, and I'm going to move the assignments for Fire Safety Week into the folder for week of October the 5th through the 9th. So I'm just going to scroll back up to the top. I'm going to collect my assignments and drag them down. You have to do this one assignment at the time, so I'm going to click ELA assignment number 1, and I'm going to drag it down to the folder for October the 5th through the 9th. And then I will do the same thing for each assignment, ELA number 2. And I will put it in next week's folder. I'm going to go back up and click the 2 math assignments. Here's math assignment number 1. Math assignment number 2. And the last will be the fire safety video. We have attached all of the assignments for next week. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in, and I made a mistake on this assignment. I left off the word assignment, so we're going to go in and we're going to edit that post, and I'm just going to add the word assignment and save that. And here you can see that the students' assignments that they are to do for the week of October the 5th through the 9th when they are on their hybrid schedule are attached to the folder for the week of October the 5th through the 9th, which is our fire safety week. I created this video because myself, along with some of my peers, were forgetting some of the steps, and I just thought that it would be nice to have this video available so that we could go back and watch it if we had missed something.